on the farm. As you see, we got a friend behind us. We got the first tractor job of the year that's paying. Now, since it's been raining and raining and we haven't been able to cut none, I'm gonna go ahead and run over here and cut this. And I might rake it, try to get enough to run a couple bales through the baler for some test runs. And the rest we'll just throw over the bank. But it's just too wet, the hay would never dry. We got a couple weeks coming of just pure rain. We got some major updates. Angus has a cut on his leg. Silly bugger. So I got him wrapped up with iodine. See, my fingers are purple. I got the, I got the blue knot, or blue coat. They said that that's about the best stuff. It's probably 1.5 inches cut. I walked up to him and I don't know, for some reason he did a funny kick and sliced his leg right open. So that was my morning. But just getting out here to the field. Let me hop off real quick. Well, I apologize not showing the PTO switch over, but it's got a really specific way of doing it. You gotta hit it over halfway in the center with a wrench, push the clutch in, put it in first, let the clutch out until the tires almost turn, and then it just nicely slides over. So it's a strange maneuver, but it's what we got. Gotta get this all set. Looks like we're good. Ramp her up a little bit. We'll watch that PTO spin. Now this is the first paying job this year for the brush hog. Last year I paid off a little over half of the brand new brush hog. This year I plan to pay the other half, and that's a piece of brand new farm equipment paid off in 2 years, and that's a pretty damn good. For somebody that doesn't sell their hay, you know, or make much money, that's pretty good. The brush hog itself was about $900. So consider I paid that off in half a year. That's pretty decent just from brush hogging. And that's paying for the brush hogging. That's not. Now, if I could get it to where I paid my tractor off, that'd be awesome. I don't do any snow plowing for anybody, but I think I might try this year, try to see if I can get anybody to start paying me for snow plowing, because I'm always doing it anyways. I may as well get paid for it. Now this is a really nice field here. I normally like to cut this bush hog. I ain't even paying attention to it. He's running good right now. Center portion right here, because it's pretty short yet. Yes, it is early in the season. Anybody that does this knows that. But normally about end of May is when we start getting hay. It's a pretty big. We gotta be careful about this because there's a big giant stump. That's a big giant stump. We're bogging this tractor down a bit. Let's rip her. Get her done. Ripping her. A while ago. They let me hay it last year. They were fine with it, so I'm going to try to get away with it this year. They pay me to hay it. Themselves, they don't do anything as far as farming.